Today we're going to be going over how to change prices in the software. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our back office. So let me log in here. And then at the very top of the screen, we're going to go to back office. And then you want to click on inventory. Now from the inventory screen, you're first going to want to search for your item you wish to change the price for. At the top of the page, there is a previous and next option, but you can also hit the search button in between to find the specific item you're looking for. Once you are in the search field, you can search in a few different ways. You have your category, which allows you to search by each individual category assigned. You may also search by your department, or you may search by the individual name. So if we click in this third box from the left, we can manually type in exactly what we're looking for. And it doesn't have to be the full name. It could be a partial name or a few of the keywords, and it should bring out any item that has those keywords listed. Once you have the item you wish to change the price for, you either want to double click or you want to click the select key on the right side. Once the item is selected, you can see here at the very top of the screen, we're going to have our cost. Now this is how much you pay from your vendor. So this is not the price that you're going to charge your customers. The price you're going to charge your customers is going to be here. So right now it's listed at $2.99. So there's two ways you can do this. We can either, if you have a keyboard, you can manually type in the price. If you do not have a keyboard, you can either double click on the screen and it'll bring out an on-screen keyboard, or you can just have it highlighted, and at the top right of the page there's going to be a keyboard icon which will do the exact same thing. Once the price has been changed, you can hit update, and that will update the pricing for this station, and it also updates to any other station if you have them in sync. Now, if you wish to use the add tax and price option, how this feature works is it basically chooses the price based on after taxes. So if I were to put in, let's say $4, it will charge the customer exactly $4, and it also takes into account for the tax rate. So now your price is essentially going to be $3.64, because after taxes is going to round up to the $4 that you want it to be. There are other ways to adjust the price. So if you wish to use what's called price discounts, we have an enable happy hour option, we have a lunch hour and a dinner hour. This does have to be set up in the back end. We do have another video that goes over this in more detail, but essentially all you're going to do is enable the checkbox and type in the price you want it to be during lunch hours, dinner hours, or so on and so forth. Now that does it for inventory. If you want to change prices for your pizza, you want to click over back into the back office, and you want to click on the pizza builder. From the pizza builder, you're going to see a list of all of your pizzas on the right side, and then your price is going to show up underneath that. So if you have a pizza you want to change the price for, we're going to select it, and then we're going to click on the edit key on the right side. Once you hit the edit, you can now adjust the prices based on the size. So as you can see here, we have our 14-inch pizza for $13.99. So let's say I wish to change this to $14.50. All I'm going to do here is I'm basically going to double click on the price, and it's going to bring out the on-screen keyboard, to which at that point I can go ahead and make my adjustments. Once we're done, we can just go ahead and hit the save option here, and that will update your prices. When it comes to the modifiers, we're going to go back into the back office again, and we're going to click on the modified builder, which is right next to the pizza builder. And just like before, we can hit previous or next, or if you're looking for something specific, we're going to go ahead and hit the search option at the very top. and we can manually type in what we're looking for. So if we type in a few of the keywords, it'll give us a list of all of the modifiers. And if we find the modifier we wish to change the price for, we're going to double click or highlight and hit the select key, and we can go ahead and update the prices here. Now the modifiers are a little bit different. The prices that we're assigning here does work most of the cases, but if the modifier group has the price disabled, then even though there is a price here, it will not charge. There is also a way to adjust the modifier price. So if you are using what's called the modifier group, you can change the price just in that group, but overall the price is going to be the same as an individual item. It's just going to be a different price if being used in a group. To show you that, we can go and hit the search button at the very top, and we're going to change the filter from mod, which is basically single individual mods, to mod groups, which are a list of modifiers grouped together. So let's say if I go into my toppings, and you can see here the add steak and shrimp is going to be $7 each, but I can change that to $5. Same here. Now, even though the price is $5 here, the modifier itself may still be at $7 if you ring it up any other way. But if it gets ringed up as a topping, then it's only going to ring in as $5. Now that's all there is for changing your prices. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call.